We'll guide you through how to make curved line in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard and type Google Chrome into the search field to locate the browser application. Once it appears in the results, open Google Chrome and wait for it to launch completely. Next, click the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter on the keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and continue to the platform. Before moving forward, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access all design tools and project features. After the login process is complete, wait for the Figma dashboard to load on your screen. To make a curved line in Figma, create a new file by clicking the plus design button from the dashboard. The editing page of your project will then open and display a blank canvas where you can begin creating elements. Start by creating a straight line that will later be converted into a curve. To do this, click the Shape Tools option in the toolbar and choose Line from the available tools. Move your cursor onto the canvas, then click, hold, and drag to draw a straight line of your preferred length. Release the mouse button once the line is positioned correctly. After creating a line, double-click on it to enter editing mode. This mode allows you to modify the structure and shape of the line directly on the canvas. With the line selected for editing, locate the Bin tool at the bottom of the interface and click it. The Bin feature enables you to transform a straight line into a curved path by adjusting its control points. Next, choose the point on the line where you want the curve to be created. Click and hold on that point, then drag your cursor in the direction you want the line to curve. As you move the cursor, the line will gradually bend and follow the shape you are creating. Once you are satisfied with the result, release the mouse button to apply the curve. Finally, close the editing toolbar to exit editing mode and view the finished curved line on the canvas.